Hey, what's up everybody? It took a while, but we're back. Let's just jump right into it. This is where we left off after the demo of the last video. We're gonna pick up from here. This time I used a thicker builder's paper to protect the floors. I started by going over the edges of the portion I wanted to cut out with an X-Acto knife, just to cut the corners sharp when I pull out the drywall. I then went over the edges again with a drywall saw, just a manual one, and this made the actual cuts. Went all the way through. I made sure I did not go over any wires or any piping or anything that was in the back, so I took it slow. I started to peel off any drywall that was falling out, that way I could see what's in the back and get a better idea. Also, there were lots of nails and brackets, as I've shown you in the previous video. They were super tedious to take them off one by one, which was necessary to take off the drywall. I continued to cut the drywall horizontally as I went along, but I also made vertical cuts so I could pull out portions of it as I went along. This made working easier. I could clean up as I go as well. At this point I decided to install recessed lighting at the same time while I was finishing up the fireplace. This way I could make any mess I needed and I could clean up at the same time. I went with the Phillips Hue LED lighting. It's really good because you could control the lights, colors, hue from your phone's app. I made the ceiling holes for the recessed lights using the recessed lighting hole saw, ran some wires through, made additional holes wherever I needed to, and also put up the recessed cans and snapped the LED lights right in. And this is what it looks like. Installed a hardy board and drywall and speckled some compound on it.